Hey everyone! I'm here with I Know Gadgets, bringing you our picks for the top 5 best foldable bikes for 2023. Folding bikes are great for saving space and taking your wheels on the go. I'll be ranking models that pack portability, value, and performance. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Swagtron Swagcycle EB5. This budget-friendly foldable bike collapses down quickly for storage and costs just $499. The 250W motor enables speeds up to 15 miles per hour, and the lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to carry. Coming in at number 4 is the AVANTREK Cybertrack 200. This foldable e-bike has 20 tires and folds to just 26x28. The 3060 battery provides up to 30 miles per charge. Step-through frame designs make mounting easy, and it comes in 4 color options. Our bronze medalist is the Heybike Ranger. This sturdy folding bike supports up to 300 elves with its 20 wheels and 500 W motor. The removable 48 V10.4Ah battery enables a 35-mile range. With adjustable handlebars and seat, riders from 5'3" to 6'2" can find the perfect fit. The runner-up is the ZiZZO Via 20 lightweight folding bike. At just 26 pounds with aluminum frame and 20 wheels, it is easily portable when folded. It comes with a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain and grips, saddle, pedals, and kickstand included. And the number 1 foldable bike for 2023 is the Schwinn Loop. This bike folds into a compact 30x27 for storage and transport. With a step-through alloy frame, swept-back handlebars, and integrated carrying handle, the Schwinn Loop is feature-packed. It's Amazon's number 1 best-selling adult folding bike. Those are my top picks for foldable bikes in 2023 with the best combination of convenience, performance, and portability. You can find detailed reviews in the video description. Let me know if you have any other questions.